Previously on Personally Yours, the Penny Salcedo Vlogs. Nasa Pilipinas na po tayo. Loobin po naman.
Ang pangalang aking tatawagin, siya ang first international talentadong Pinoy champion. At yan ay walang iba kundi... Congratulations! Penny Salcedo!
Don't forget me, I beg. I remember you said.
From Hong Kong, Miss Penny Salcedo.
Mga pangalang babanggitin ko ay ang makakasama sa top 4. Pasok ka na! Penny Salcedo ng Southeast Asia. Congratulations, Penny!
Welcome to my channel, Butterflies!
Follow and subscribe. Follow and subscribe. She's Penny Salcedo. Penny Salcedo. Penny Salcedo. It's Penny Salcedo. Whoa. She's got the right vibe. Gonna go live. She's worldwide. She's a delight. Young and old, on the go, positive, energetic, high energy, high energy. She's a creator, a vlogger, an entertainer, an artist. She's everything, an embrace. She's everything. The voice, she's everything. Host of the show on my radio. She's everything. She's everything. Hey! Penny Salcedo, follow her on Insta. Penny Salcedo, follow her on Twitter. Penny Salcedo, follow her on TikTok. Penny Salcedo, follow her on YouTube.
And for today's featured vlog.
Yes, we have landed. Welcome to Manila, Philippines. Thanks be to God for a very safe flight. Yan, maraming salamat po sa Diyos sa maayos pong flight namin. And yeah, everyone is getting off now on this plane. And welcome to Personally Yours, the Penny Salcedo Vlogs.
Okay, we're getting off the plane now. Salamat po sa Diyos.
Yung dalawa. Bye. Thank you. May connecting sa lahat.
Salamat po, bye-bye.
Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Ingatan nawa po. Welcome, Manila, Philippines! Yes! Uy, napin muna natin yung ating sundo. Ano ba?
Paglabas ng plane.
Ingina ko. Ingina ko Pero again, once again, maraming salamat po sa Diyos. Thanks be to God for a very safe flight. Napaka-smooth po na flight. Salamat po sa Diyos. Yeah. Yes. And in fact, even lapag earlier, di ba? Yes. Let us find a toilet. Wanna pee. Okay, let's go. Ayun, Philippines na. Oh. Pasensya na po kayo. Please bear with us, especially myself, because very seldom to travel here in the Philippines. When was the last time you were here, Kalay?
Last, April 15 last year.
Me was 2018. So, ayan na. Okay, we're here. And I believe so we cannot take any videos here. Nasa immigration po tayo. Laters!
And we are about to get out of the Ayan na, welcome to Philippines. Nanay! Kaway-kaway po sa vlog natin. Abangan, supportahan niyo po ako sa tawag ng tanghalan duets. Hindi po kasi pwede pang mag-public about it. Pero November 10 po maglo-launch. Opo. Penny Salcedo po. May ka-duet po ako doon si Sandy. So, sana support po kayo. Biyaya po yung family. Sabi ko po, ingatan naman po. Kapal ng mukha.
Now, okay, we're gonna get our luggages. And again, salamat sa Diyos for smooth flight. Nag-toilet kami kasi naraggers ang itsura. So, ito na, ayan. And hanapin namin, we have to look for the van service provided by the production. Thank you very much. Salamat po sa Diyos. And we are here. Okay. Hold on lang po, ha. Yan, talaga, nakaalabas na kami. Yan, nakalabas na po kami ng immigration and now about to collect our luggages. And, nasa Manila na talaga tayo. Big deal. This is a big deal for me all the time because I don't know why, but really, it's the only times that I'm able to go back here in the Philippines is when I get to sing in a competition. Kawawa ko naman. Ignorante. Ayan. Yes. There's your luggages. Here. Asan yung ating push car? Ay, kailangan pa ba natin ng ganun? Oo, kailangan natin. Bigat. Ayan. Labas na po kami. We're getting out now. Okay, ito. Filipinos! Ayan. Ay. Love the Philippines. Welcome. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. Kalay, nandito na talaga tayo. Salamat sa Diyos. Walang sawang pagsabing salamat sa Diyos sa pag-iingat. Yes.
Support of the Penny Salcedo.
Yes, and Sefi Francisco, of course. Global Harmony. Saan tayo lalabas, Kalay? Wait lang.
Kahit saan, basta may bay. Diba?
Oo.
Bay na po yan pagkalabas.
Ito. Okay. Tara. We are now going to have to contact yung the, what do you call that? The van. Mga vloggers. Hala, talagang nasa Pilipinas na tayo. Uy, nakalabas na tayo sa... Nandito na talaga tayo sa Maynila. Oh. Basics. Okay. Hala, nakalabas na po. Nakandito na po talaga kami sa Maynila. Hindi na po talaga yung mapigilan. Salamat po sa Diyos. Wait lang, contact muna natin yung ating van. Wait po.
Welcome, Philippines!
Manila, Turala, Manila. Salamat sa Diyos. Really for us. Smooth and safe and quick flight. Thanks be to God. Oh my gosh. Yay! Finally, we already met Kuya Marvin, ang nag-pick up po sa amin yan. Ang aming sundo. Salamat po sa Diyos. Maulan po, no?
May bagyo mo yan.
May bagyo. Okay. At may lamok din. Okay, so we've arrived. Salamat sa Diyos. It's very rainy, maulan po. But yeah, all good. Everything is well and swell. Thanks be to God.
Okay, I think that's Miss Cheeky over there. And one of the coordinators. Umuulan kasi it's quite heavy rain, so we need an umbrella. This is where we're going to enter ABS-CBN. It's now 1:43. Monday. Let's see, it's November 3, 2025. Lakas ng ulan, no?
May bagyo siya, pero ang tama niya, Cebu, Visayas.
Ayan, no, may bagyo daw.
Yan yung tatamaan niya. Pero yung dito, parang ulan lang dito sa Manila talaga.
Ah, okay.
Manila area.
Salamat po. Salamat po, ha. Salamat po.
Alam mo, feeling ko ako yung galing Hong Kong.
Kuya!
Dito kay ay dito ka na.
Alam mo yan, nakita ko po yung post niya kasi. Actually, tagal ko na po ito nabili, pero
Fresh na. Yan, salamat. Thank you to Miss Marjorie. Thank you sa mga magic hands nila. Ay, photo.
Yun na yung next. Okay. So yung the...
So, we begin the VTR shoot. Yes. Are we ready na, babe? Si Kalayan.
Another journey again.
Yes.
Here at ABS-CBN.
Yes.
Kasi may mom raise me.
Uy, nagkatotoo yung lagi natin pinag-besohan before, di ba? Magka-do-it, magkasama. Ayan, ito na talaga. Okay, we're here now. Siyempre, dala ko ang pride and honor.
Bilang TNT Global Contender, tuwing nagpo-perform ako sa iba't ibang events at conference. Okay. Yun na rin ang nalakbay ko mula na akong simula. Sumali ako sa team. Okay? Hanggang saan yung kaya mo?
Sa breadwinner, malagi-lagi na rin ang narating ko.
Ang nalakbay ko?
Ang family ko ang pinaka napasaya ko dahil marami na rin ako napunta para sa kanila tulad ng pagre-renovate ng aming bahay at sasakyan.
Stage, nagbabalik kami sa aming tanghalang tahanan.
Pang-international na performance, inyo nang abangan.
The stage is set
For the Global
set.
For?
For the global.
The stage is set for?
The stage is set for.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and?
The stage is set for the global.
The stage is set for?
The stage is set for.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and?
For
The Global Mellow Duo.
Cut! Okay po.
this time we'll be doing after that OCI on cam interview. This time we are doing the 360 beauty shot. Yeah, 360 beauty shot yata yun. Yeah, the one that turns around. So yeah, we're here at the very studio of ASAP. Yeah, selfie there. Anong oras na ngayon? What's the time now? 9 something. Yeah, it's already 9 something p.m. It's hard work. It's hard work.
Oh,
diba?
Salo.
okay, salo.
Curie.
3, 2, 1, tingin.
Harap.
Harap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay yun. Okay. Dito sa enterprise. bubuksan.
Nagmumukha.
Sa ang tabla ng tawag na pangalan.
Welcome! The Philippine Air.
Minsan TNT, minsan Sexy Day.
The Global Duo.
In 3, 2, 1, pose! Eh, sobrang Barbie!
2, 3, 4, 5, and...
Oh, na para bang abangan nyo ako. Hindi ako uuwi for nothing.
Hindi, parang
Popmart, ang dala ko.
Ay, bakit may natuloy?
Street Fighter sa background.
Sorry, isang ikot pa. Go, go, diretso.
Hadouken, tas labas ng brilliant.
Yes. Ang ganda.
Pasabog si ate ko kay...
Cream sa...
In 3, 2, 1, pose!
Wala pang gumawa nun.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Ganda.
7, 8. Okay, done.
Back up!
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my beautiful butterflies at Kapitang Sarapens. And watch out for the next vlog, which is vlog number 33 to feature next. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get
Penny
notified.
Salcedo, follow her on YouTube.